systems at you. This integration point is critical for the missile warning sensors. We cannot compromise the fish integrity.
Pressure is stable at 3,000 psi.
Confirmed. Logging the reading now.
Scan data confirmed. Structural integrity checks out. Proceed with modifications.
The shielding integrity on junction box 4 appears nominal.
Agreed. Clearance looks good for the new DCS cables.
The robotic scanner verifies the shielding grade and length. The material is confirmed military grade, designed for extreme environments. Process A utilized transmission and stripping and milling mitered connectors.
As technicians deploy environmental control units to maintain the precise conditions for structural adhesives,
The multi-head robotic drilling platform uses precision depth control for the attachment points. Executed with extreme...
The automated dispenser ensures uniform thickness for the Process A material.
Check alignment. We need it perfectly level before installation.
Slow the pull rate slightly. We need to adjust the guide rollers here. Pull rate reduced. Go ahead with the adjustment.
Okay, the routing matches the schematic. Process A is complete for this section.
The complex composite fairing, integral to Process A, is precisely sealed, protecting the internal wiring from the elements.
Torque on mount point 7 confirmed.
Cross-referencing with the digital schematic now. Looks good, proceed to power.
These structurally reinforced access panels, part of, are critical for maintaining the pressure integrity of the C-17 Globemaster.
The system confirms continuity across all thousands of connection points.
Fuselage panels secured and sealed on this side.
Confirmed. Moving to the tail section now.
All right, process A is officially complete, ready for clean room transition.
Ensure the grounding is secure before the robot initiates the sequence.
Confirmed. Environmental checks are good for process B.
The ruggedized DCS unit undergoes final diagnostics before integration. Process B confirms the system is ready for the avionics rack.
The sensor is connected to its wiring harness, completing the Defensive Countermeasures System as part of the precise sequential steps of Process B.
Panel secured, initiating power sequence now.
Roger that. System self-test passed. Moving to process B.
As the Globemaster powers up, extensive system self-tests are initiated. Diagnostic data is...
This critical calibration ensures the sensitive electronic equipment is accurately detecting and clad threat.
The diagnostic systems confirm full integration, demonstrating the successful deployment of the new countermeasures onto the Globemaster's infrastructure.
Process B integration complete. Seals are intact.
Tamper-proof status confirmed. Ready for logging.
Sequence B complete, initiating engine start.
All indicators nominal, system online.
Engine start, sequence initiated.
Monitoring DCS, MWS and EW nominal, systems green.
Engine start confirmed, system stable. You are clear for high power checks.
Missile warning sensors fully operational. Ground validation complete.
DCS check complete, all systems nominal.
Confirmed. Vibration levels steady.
Reviewing the final metrics now. All sensors reporting green.
100% operational readiness. Certified for flight.
Final inspection complete. The EW systems are fully integrated and secure.
Confirmed. We are ready for operational handover.
DCS system status. Operational. Ready for flight. Confirmed.
Under maximum aerodynamic load, the sensor mounts hold firm. The successful takeoff validates the
Systems check complete. All parameters green.
Confirmed. Continuing on course. Flight level 3550.
The sensor array performs a high-speed scan for thermal threats. This integration, combining structural process A and
Defensive Countermeasures System active. All threats neutralized.
Roger that. Rollout nominal.
Following the simulated threat warning, the electronic warfare system commands the dispenser. The bay doors momentarily open, and a simulated countermeasure is ejected.
Diaphragm. After a successful mission, the C-17 undergoes rigorous inspection. The crew validates the structural enhancements.
The system neutralized the threat trajectory perfectly.
Confirmed. This validates the strategic value of the integration.
The system performed exceptionally during the simulated engagement, with clear DCS alerts. The integrated missile warning sensor.
The gray and white transport plane holds its position, showcasing stable flight characteristics. The finished product, the C-17.
The aircraft continues its long-duration flight profile, highlighting the extended operational readiness provided by integrated systems.
Mission complete.
The C-17 fleet functional, functional and protected.